Hello, welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. In today's lesson we'll learn how to speak English in a cafe. Let's begin. Can I get a latte, please? Can I get a latte, please? Sure, one latte coming right up. Sure, one latte coming right up. I'll have the breakfast sandwich. I'll have the breakfast sandwich. Excellent choice. Would you like that with fries or a side salad? Excellent choice. Would you like that with fries or a side salad? Could I see the menu, please? Could I see the menu, please? Certainly, here you go. Certainly, here you go. What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? Today's soup is tomato basil. Today's soup is tomato basil. Do you have any vegan options? Do you have any vegan options? Yes. We have a delicious vegan lentil soup and a few vegan pastry options. Yes, we have a delicious vegan lentil soup and a few vegan pastry options. I'll take a coffee to go. I'll take a coffee to go. No problem, one coffee to go. No problem, one coffee to go. Can I get this with almond milk? Can I get this with almond milk? Absolutely, no problem. Absolutely, no problem. Could I get a refill on my water? Could I get a refill on my water? Of course, let me get that for you. Of course, let me get that for you. Could I get the check, please? Could I get the check, please? Certainly, let me get that for you. Certainly, let me get that for you. Can I pay the bill here? Can I pay the bill here? Yes, you can pay at the counter. Yes, you can pay at the counter. This is a really nice cafe. This is a really nice cafe. Thank you. We're glad you like it. Thank you. We're glad you like it. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. How about yourself? How about yourself? I'm doing well too, thanks. I'm doing well too, thanks. What are you reading? What are you reading? I'm reading a mystery novel. I'm reading a mystery novel. This coffee is delicious. This coffee is delicious. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Excuse me, could you repeat that? Excuse me, could you repeat that? Certainly, I said. Certainly, I said. Do you have any recommendations for pastries? Do you have any recommendations for pastries? Our chocolate croissants are very popular. Our chocolate croissants are very popular. Could I see a sample of it? Could I see a sample of it? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.